Hello friends. In our previous video we have seen that how we can simply create product in Odoo, and today we will see that if we want to create product from the CSV template, so how we can do this. So again, if you want to go into the product page, we just simply start typing product, so it will give us the product options. So now if I want to create a product from the CSV import, so what I need to do, I will go into the favorites, and here I have option of import records. So here we have the template available for importing the product. So I will just click here to get the template. So I will just save this template and I will enable editing for this file. So here we have a different option available to create a product, and if you want to add some more information related to the product regarding the fields which are not available in this column, so we can simply add here and we can provide data under these fields for the specific product. So for example, if I just want to add two products like testing 123 and testing 456. So, and now I do not want to add more item, I'm just remove those lines. So now for example, if I want to create these items only, so we are not required to add this external ID column, but if we want to update any information of the existing product, so what we will need to do, we will need to use this external ID so that the system will update the information related to this external ID of the product. So because I'm creating the new one, so I will just remove this column as well. So now I can provide the SKU, and here I can provide the SKU, and I can provide the barcode, I can provide sale price, cost price, weight, sales description, and lot more information regarding to that product after these columns. And I will just add with the name of the fields for which I want to have information related to this product. So now I just save this and I will go again into the Odoo, and here we were in the products menu. So here we have option of favorites and import records, and now I can upload file. So here we have product template file which we have just edited. Now I will open it up. So it will show me the file column and Odoo field, so all are mapped. So if any of the field is not mapped and you want to change here, so you can simply click here and change the field from here. Now before uploading this file, if I want to see that the file is okay, so I can test this. So you can see that it shows me the option that everything seems valid. Now I can import this file. So you can see two records successfully imported, testing 456 and testing 123. So basically in Odoo we have very easy option to import large number of data from the CSV. So stay tuned with us for more videos. Thank you.